When working with power tools or other loud equipment, most people know to use eye protection. But have you given any thought to ear protection? Hearing loss is a problem that affects nearly 30 million U.S. adults. And even though it happens gradually, the damage is cumulative. So using good hearing protection is very important. But how loud is too loud? Exposure to sounds above 85 decibels is usually considered harmful, but most people don't measure how loud their tools are. That's loud. A good rule of thumb is that if you need to shout to be heard by somebody standing at arm's length, then you should wear hearing protection. Many people choose over-the-ear protection like these earmuffs. They're great for convenience because as you come and go from your tools, they're easy to slip on and off. But would you believe that these big bulky things may not give you the best protection? Earmuffs block out mid-frequency sounds, so they do well with general shop noises, but they don't do as well with low-frequency sounds. The best ear protection you can use are these little guys, foam earplugs. They block out both low and mid-frequency sounds, but you have to wear them right. Most people just try to jam them into their ear, but that's the wrong way. You want the foam to fill the ear cavity, so you start by rolling it in your fingers, compressing it. To get the best fit, you need to tug on your ear and gently place the compressed plug into the canal. The earplug will slowly expand and fill the ear cavity. Foam earplugs are also a good choice because they're out of the way and they won't interfere with eye or respiratory protection. It's always good to keep some form of hearing protection handy, like in your tool bag, so it's easy to find and use. Because your hearing is one tool you don't want to be without.